Hello from Shraddha from Love Bites, Lebanese. Sweet potatoes, a super food which is rich in fiber, a complex carb, and has an array of vitamins and minerals in it. Very easy to do, simple recipe, full of goodness, full of flavors. I am using the spice sumac, which is a wild berry from the sumac flower, which is dried and then ground, and it gives a very sour, tangy taste. Very popular in the Middle East. So you just mix it all together, bake them, and you're done. Drizzle it with virgin olive oil just before serving and you will love it. Try and have it hot or warm. You will definitely make this again. Do give it a try. Do like, do subscribe, and click on the bell icon for notifications. All the recipes are given in the description box below. Thank you. For these Lebanese style sweet potatoes roasted, we take one whole potatoes. Either you wash it much earlier or you clean it very well with a brush. We're going to slit it in half and then we're going to cut it into thick wedges. Slit lengthwise. Just cut it into triangular wedges. Take a sharp knife for this. Sweet potatoes are always a bit difficult. All my wedges are cut. Take a bowl. Put them in a bowl. Preheat your ovens to 260 degrees centigrade or 250, whatever your oven goes to. Now in this, we'll add sumac. Sumac is a Middle Eastern spice. It's very tangy. So this, you see, if you don't like too much of tanginess, then don't use too much. If you have cayenne pepper or a little spicy chili powder, use that. Pepper powder and salt to taste. So I'm going to just coat this first. Now in this, there goes honey and some olive oil. You can take oil of your choosing. You can take any neutral flavored oil. I have taken olive oil. Mix it with your hand because this needs to coat well. So if you have a baking dish or a baking pan, keep that ready and we're going to put this on that. Here's my baking dish. I've kept a foil inside. You don't have to do it. It's your wish. Now take your wedges. Try and coat them as much as possible and just keep them apart from each other. Give a little space between all of them. So if you have a big sheet pan or something, use that. I don't have, so I'm using these dishes, so I have to use several. Make sure you coat it with all the masala in that. So you'll have to use your hands a bit. Coat them. So they'll taste really nice once roasted. Once your oven's preheated, keep the dish inside. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cover it with a foil because it'll be faster cooking and your potatoes won't dry up. After you feel the sweet potatoes cooked through, we'll open the foil and we're going to cook it a little more open so that it becomes crispy. So you can also convert it to the fan mode for a faster crispness. It's been 20 minutes, so I'm just going to check it because I want to also flip it once. Yeah, it's looking, so just flip it now a bit. I've flipped it. Now I've opened the foil and I'm going to let it be there for some time because I want it crisp. My potatoes have gotten done, so I took them out, my sweet potatoes. So what I had done after the 20 minutes after it got cooked, I turned it towards the fan mode. So it gave it a faster crispness and it's done. Now I'll be serving it.